Rolling Stones record on the radio, but I don't feel like a street fighting man. I'm way too old, but it's way too cold, so I'll turn it up as loud as I can. And dream about those crazy times when the future was yours and mine. Rock and roll nights and lazy days down by the Serpentine. The smell of patchouli oil floated on the summer breeze. I saw a sweet little hippie girl in her caftan and her beads. Music drifting through the trees that day in '69. Rolling Stones played for you and me down by the Serpentine. Butterflies over the park, shade of aura on your wall. So naive, we really did believe we'd change it all. Talking about peace and love, but that was just a hippie dream. There was war and hate, but the music was great, and London was the place to be. We grew our hair way down to there, and the sun always seemed to shine. We spent our days in a smoky haze on the banks of the Serpentine. Butterflies over the park, shade of aura on your wall. So naive, we really did believe we'd change it all. Butterflies over the park, shade of aura on your wall. So naive, we really did believe we'd change it all. Change the world, but I still love my little hippie girl. And when I look in her eyes, I can still see that day, just like it was yesterday. Just like it was yesterday.